What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Unreal Engine 5.2 has just officially released, so we have incredible new features, so let's take a look. First of all, we have the Procedural content generation framework. This tool enables you to define rules and parameters to populate large scenes procedurally in a matter of seconds. The system works in runtime, meaning that the environment can change dynamically while you're playing the game. This is just crazy. I have already made some tutorials on it, so if you want to get started, just check them out, links in the description. Now I have to mention that this tool is still an experimental, but it has been advancing throughout the preview versions, and it is in a point where pretty much you can do a lot of stuff with it. Let's now move on into Substrate. This will give you more control over the look and feel of the art in your game. It allows you to have multiple layers with their own reflections and so on, taking away the limitations of super realistic materials running in a game. I have to experiment more with this, but this just looks amazing honestly. Now let's move into the ML deformer sample. Look at this. You can literally go ahead and download this demo where you can play around with this physical deformer and move all the muscles and see how the skin adapts to it. This is truly next gen. Like, look at the quality of this character. Just imagine, next games going ahead and having this fidelity of characters. Like, this is just mind-blowing, honestly. Alright, so for my friends on Apple, now Unreal Engine officially supports natively Apple Silicon, and you can get it from the Epic Games launcher, making the installation much easier. There have also been some improvements in virtual production with new shot creation tools, but in this video I will not really go into detail as it is not really my thing, but I just want to go ahead and mention it. There have also been some improvements in nanite, lumen, shadow improvements, and overall a whole bunch of areas. For example, adding new meta sound nodes and new scopable tools, so you can go ahead and create your own kind of frameworks and basically improve your work performance with gizmos and so on, a new mesh surface sampler, and yeah, just a lot more. Like, if I was to name every improvement, I will be here for 3 hours, so this was just a quick summary. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, so go ahead and check them out, join my Discord server. And now yes, with all that said, bye bye.